Woo! Boy, this thing never gets old. You already know there's only one way to drive a Mustang. That's in sport mode, baby. And if it ain't on E, it ain't a Mustang. Or should I say, if it ain't on E, it ain't a GT. Whoa! You already know what we had. We head to the gas station. Gotta put gas in the sucker, bruh. But, hold up. But yeah, man, today I'ma just be saying what it's like to own a Mustang, bro. The gas mileage, just things like that. This is going on month 3 I have in this car. Woo! They blowing it on, bro. And I can't say, man, I love the car. I love it. It was definitely worth however much money I paid. It's definitely worth the monthly payments. And I can't say that I did have a V6 before owning this Mustang. And honestly, my car note is only $30 more than what I was paying for the V6. And it's not high whatsoever. You have any questions about how? Please like, comment, subscribe. I will let y'all know exactly how I got my monthly payments to be less than what you would assume it would be. And trust me, I am not paying $600 a month for this car. I am not. So if you want to know exactly how much, like, comment, subscribe. I will be making another video if that's what y'all want. What else, man? Oh, but gas mileage. So I currently get 17.6 miles to the gallon. When I first got the car, it was actually only at like 16 something, but I improved my mileage. If you want to know how I did that, once again, like, comment, subscribe. I will be letting y'all know exactly how I did that. It's still running on regular gas. Let's see. It actually does not cost that much to fill up this tank. I owned the Infiniti G37 before getting this car, and when I tell you, I was paying more in gas to fill up the Infiniti than what I paid to fill up this car. So, will I recommend buying this? Yes, 100%. Because how other YouTubers make it seem, oh, they filling up every week, every 3 days. Bro, no, they're lying. They're lying to you. It is not the case at all with these cars. If it is the case with their car, then they need to find better ways to improve their mileage, because I don't know, man. They got some other stuff going on. But about to pull into this gas station right quick. So once it's full, I'm gonna show y'all exactly how much mileage I actually do get to the gallon, because I could be off, but it is definitely 17.5, 17.6, some shit like that. Overall, bro, the car is just freaking amazing, bro. Like, you want a fast car that's not a scat, that's not a Mopar? Yes, sir. Get you a Mustang.